Hey, good morning, folks. This is Jeff coming to you, and this is a series of videos. I'm producing one video on each of the report types that are included in the premium membership. So as you can see, the first one in the list is the accumulation distribution report. So if you're not familiar with accumulation distribution, this has to do with what stocks that institutions and funds are either buying or selling. So hence the term accumulation, if they're buying it, distribution if they are selling it. So what I'll do is bring up the report and just review it with you. This will not take long. Whenever you see these reports, all right, most of the reports are just in a textual format. There are some that also have an HTML version if the if it's too large to actually fit on the screen that Discord provides us. So the easiest way to pop this up is just click on View the whole file, all right? And this report was actually produced today, which is Sunday, June 28th. And you can see I list the top 20 of the strongest in either accumulation or distribution. So you'll notice right on the list here, right? We list Wi-Fi, TVTX, WTS, TWST, Cake, etc. These are all under accumulation. Uh, the confidence factor is 94%. And there are a number of reasons. All right. You can dig into this through Grok or one of your favorite search engines and learn about ADL. Heavy volume is another one. Rising VWAPs are another. But we list all the reasons that we are confident that the stock is under accumulation or distribution. All right. So if I look down this list here, Amazon is under distribution. If you've been tracking Amazon, you know that the price has been falling like crazy lately. All right. Uh, so that's it, right? This will be updated on a daily basis, and feel free to use it to your advantage. It will give you some idea of what stocks you may want to steer away from, especially if you see them under the distribution signals. Right now, just remember that institutions accumulate or distribute, sell stocks over a period of weeks. Typically, they don't do it over a period of days. It normally takes them time to accumulate. So you may see the same stock on here multiple days in a row, all right, which will give you an indication that, there is continued selling. Right? So that about wraps it up for this report. Hope you find this handy when you use this. Thank you.